We're told aging is natural, inevitable, a slow walk toward an end we all see coming. But what if I told you biology has been keeping secrets? Not conspiracies, not myths, real silent mechanisms hidden inside your body that decide not just when you age, but how. This is what your DNA doesn't tell you, and today you're going to see it. For most of human history, lifespan was a mystery, a roll of the dice. But today, science is finally decoding the hidden language written inside every cell. And what we're finding is unsettling. Aging isn't just wear and tear. It's a series of silent, programmed processes. Some of them start in your 20s. Biology doesn't advertise them until now. Secret number 1. You were born with a burning fuse. Inside each cell, at the tips of your chromosomes, there are tiny protective caps called telomeres. Think of them like the plastic tips on shoelaces. They keep the strands from unraveling. Each time your cells divide, these caps shorten just a little. And when they're gone, the cell can no longer renew itself. It ages or it dies. But here's what they don't teach you. This shortening isn't fixed. It's not just time passing. Stress, poor diet, even loneliness can burn this fuse faster. One study followed mothers caring for chronically ill children. Their telomeres aged the equivalent of a full decade in just a few years. That means some people are biologically older at 30 than others at 50, not because of time, but because of this invisible clock ticking inside them. Secret number 2. Inside you right now are zombie cells. Their real name is senescent cells. They've stopped dividing, but they refuse to die. Instead, they linger, and they release toxins that poison the cells around them. It's called the senescence-associated secretory phenotype, a beautiful name for something so quietly destructive. You won't feel them, you won't see them, but they're there, piling up in your skin, your joints, your organs, quietly accelerating arthritis, inflammation, organ decline, a hidden demolition crew working in slow motion. Secret number 3. Your DNA is being edited as you live. Through a process called methylation, your genes collect chemical tags that switch them on or off. Think of it like sticky notes placed on certain pages of an instruction manual. Over time, these tags form a pattern so precise, scientists can now read your biological age from a single blood test, and it's often startlingly accurate. What they don't tell you is that this clock can be wound faster by trauma, toxins, or loneliness. But it can also be slowed, even reversed. Your genes aren't your destiny. They're a manuscript, and in small, quiet ways, you hold the pen. Secret number 4. Your body is slowly, gently gluing itself shut. Proteins in your skin, your arteries, even your eyes, form subtle bonds over time. It's called cross-linking. It's why skin wrinkles, why arteries stiffen, why vision sometimes clouds. This happens through a process with another beautiful name, glycation, where sugar molecules bind to proteins, creating what scientists call advanced glycation end products, a fitting name because they truly are products of the end, slowly being built inside you. Biology calls this normal aging, but it's not inevitable decay. It's a chemical process quietly influenced by what you eat, how much sun you see, the inflammation you carry. How you live changes how you stiffen. Secret number 5. Your cellular power plants are fading. Mitochondria. They make the energy for every movement, every thought, every heartbeat. But over the decades, they become less efficient. They leak waste, and that waste damages the cell from within. What's haunting is that this decline begins in your 20s. You don't notice because your body compensates, but compensation has a cost. That low-grade fatigue you feel in the afternoon, the brain fog that makes words slip away, it's not just a long day, until one day it can't compensate anymore. The fatigue, the brain fog, the weakness we blame on getting old, it's not just age, it's a silent energy crisis already underway. But here's the turn. Knowing these secrets isn't meant to frighten you, it's meant to free you. Because every hidden process has a quiet countermeasure. Sleep, truly restful sleep, repairs telomeres. Movement, especially the kind that leaves you breathless, strengthens mitochondria. Whole foods reset methylation. Fasting gives your body the signal to clear out those zombie cells. Even cold exposure has been shown to trigger cellular repair. You may not stop the clock, but you can change how fast it ticks. Biology hid the blueprint of aging so you could learn to redraw it. One last thing. We often think of aging as failure, as decay. But what if we saw it differently? These processes, telomeres shortening, cells senescing, proteins cross-linking, they aren't flaws. They're the footprint of a life lived, a biological story, your story. And now that you know how it's written, you can choose what happens on the next page. If this felt different, like seeing beneath the surface for the first time, then you're exactly where you should be. I'm the Unknownologist. I look for the truths hidden in plain sight. From cells to stars, from heartbeats to horizons. Subscribe if you want to keep uncovering these quiet secrets with me. Next week, we dive into something equally haunting, what the ocean's immortal jellyfish can teach us about time, and why its secret might already be inside you. Until then, look closer.